Hello, I'm Chasing the Adoni, and today we'll be doing Blender. So in the last video, if you didn't see, we discovered something weird looking, but actually looked quite good, like a cube with a ball in it. So I decided to recreate it. It actually is easier than I thought. So if you see, we automatically start with a cube. I don't know what that is, but okay, so right here we have this cube, and let's not delete it because this is part of our real project. Add mesh, and I would have thought doing a circle, but a circle is 2D, so I'm just going to delete that. And also don't try doing a sphere. Okay, so even if it's like that, and you make it slightly bigger, oops, C0Z. That's so like this. If you do this, the sphere it will kind of mess up the way the cube looks. So don't use a UV sphere. Um, I'm going to tell you to use a meta ball. It's just like a sphere, except it's just called a ball. And look, that just looks so much more appealing to me. Well, I guess it's your choice whether you want to do that or not. But yeah, this looks really appealing. Now I'm gonna call it Weird Cube. So let's file, save as, Untitled one. So there. Let's call this, I'm gonna call this the Gaming Cube. G-A G Cube, Gaming Cube, save as. Okay, it's saved now. So I don't think we'll need to be in Blender anymore. Yeah, so just exit out of Blender. This is my home screen, and let's go to Unity. Okay, here. So just to give a quick recap of what this game is. This is a unfinished game that I plan to put in my website if you've seen it. So just be tuned to that if you check out my website. Okay, so yep, it might look a little bit different. So now, okay, so I'm just gonna so yeah, I don't really know how to explain it. So I'm just gonna add. So yeah, in this I'm gonna add a type of. I'm gonna add that cube as an obstacle because this is a game where you have to dodge obstacles. Oh, jeez. I'm just gonna move a little bit more forward. And I think that for me, I would prefer to keep it right here. Okay, well, okay, so, okay, let's add it in. There, gaming cube. This isn't even the right place. I'm gonna add it in assets. And now, oh, come on, where's that file? There! So yeah, it's just a simple drag and drop from the file. Wait for it to load. Oh, it loaded quickly. I'm gonna add a material from Unity. This is why I don't usually put lights or cameras, because that is what happens and I don't want that. So I guess I'll have to go in and disable these. I might just keep the camera so that you can see how it looks, but I will disable the light. Okay. Oh yeah, this is like a gaming view. I'll move the camera a little bit further. Just the camera. Yes. Okay. So let's move this here, here, and let's turn this over so I can actually see it. And the reason I'm doing this is because the shadow. Oh wow, I am really bad at aligning the things. Oh, that actually looks okay. Okay, so now we're like this. Okay, let's wait for a minute and just see if this looks right. So let's not add a material and just see how it looks. Oh, sorry, that's just noise playing in the background. And yeah, this cube looks good. Now to add some materials, gray and blue will be my choice. Gray for the out. Hey, this blue. Oh, that's a perfect fit. Kind of like an ice thing. We can also make it red, but I'm gonna try to make a different blue. Not that blue. I have a ton of blues. Jeez. This blue looks fine to me. And this gray. Oh, never knew it'll happen so quickly. Okay. I'm just gonna align the camera so that it gets a better view of it. And right here, kind of like a gaming aspect view. You know what, that actually looks quite good, except the fact that it's rotated. And then let's move it so that you can get a better view of it. And let's rotate it again. Oh, that looks good. Okay, I like where this is going. And this is pretty much it. So you can just create many different kinds of these. Yeah, I'll actually, of this cube and this. Wait, that was just, it always says that if you try reordering stuff, see? So I will, so yeah, I'll copy this. And now I'll paste this. Okay, yeah, that's fine with me. Let me go back and realign stuff. So like this, put this at the top. It's good to stay organized so that you can find your assets. And okay, so now this extra gaming cube all the way down here. I want to add this to the top. So yeah, if you just put it at the top, it'll auto scroll for you. It takes quite a bit of time if you have a lot of assets though, which is approximately what I have. Okay, here, this camera should be disabled. And let's move this over there. Yeah, that's looking good. And now for the ball, we want a proper looking material. So I would say this bucket material, no. Ah, yes, I'm getting so lucky today with my materials. So that is how you make the gaming cube, I guess. And looks like, oh, okay, let me just edit something out. It just doesn't look right. camera. Nope, not that camera. This camera. Even when you keep organized stuff, cameras can be hard to find. Assets can be really hard to find. I'm just gonna move it down a little bit. And yeah, pretty much that is how you make the gaming cube asset. I just called it that. You can call it whatever you want. But I'm just gonna call it the gaming cube asset. Very fun. I know this might look 2D, sorry, but well, pretty much other than that, we've got quite far in this session. So please subscribe and make sure that it's not red. And please subscribe to Lightningcode, and please ring the notification bell to notify you of any cool stuff like the gaming cube. I don't know what I can create. Fine, next time it'll be a diamond or a dragon. So be tuned for that, and you better hit the notification bell. Well, I guess until then, if you ask me for anything else, please comment. You can even recommend other than a diamond or a dragon, a table tennis racket. Anyways, I'm quite into table tennis right here. So, okay, very random, but where did that come from? Well, bye, I guess. Yeah, just in case you want to use the comments and recommend me on anything else, please do. I'll be interested in what you say. Like a table tennis racket. What else would you guys want? I'm not sure. I guess you guys know much more than me, so bye.